Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you're new here or have come across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell and keep it here for weekly videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back, for always watching our videos, for always sharing your feedback. We value when we appreciate all your support. In today's video, we're going to do a haul, or rather a grocery shopping haul for where I shop for groceries. If you know a place we can get the groceries at a cheaper rate, kindly comment down below and let us know where we can get them, either at a better rate or better quality. So in today's shopping, I bought some bell peppers. As you can see, I bought the red ones. I bought 4 for 100 shillings. Imagine, 100 shillings. Usually they're about 30 shillings or thereabout. So I bought 4 at 100 bob. We have the green capsicum. Yeah, as you can see, I got 6 for 30 shillings. 60 was a kg. This was half a kg, so I got them at 30 shillings. We have the onions. The onions, I used to buy bigger size, but I now like this medium size. So for this batch, I got them at 200 shillings. As you can see, they're quite some good number and good quantity. So we also got garlic. As you can see, these are 8 pieces. Sorry. These are 8 pieces. 8 pieces I bought at 100 shillings. That is 4 for 50 shillings. Yeah. Oh, they are 8. Sorry, I was holding 7. So 8 pieces for 100 shillings. We also got some tomatoes. I have some ripe ones, so we got all the green ones which are not yet ready, so that we can store them for a while. A kilo was 80 shillings, so the whole pack was 160. All this, yeah, as you can see, 160. We also got white onions. As you can see, all these for 100 shillings. They're about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 for 100 shillings. We also got this cabbage. Usually we buy cabbages at about 30, 40, and maybe 50 max. Currently, they are not in season. I don't know why, or perhaps maybe in your area, you know a place where someone can get them at a good rate. Please comment down below. This we got for 60 shillings. It is not so small, and it's very good. It's even heavy, and you can feel it has good quantity of cabbage. We also got green peas. These are 4 kgs. That's 2 kasukus each. Minji. We got this for 100 shillings for a pack of 2 kgs. So the whole of this lot, we got it at 200 shillings. So of course there is the work of removing them, which is loading. Yeah. We also got maize. This is for boiled maize and githeri. So for this pack, these are 10 pieces, which we bought for 200 shillings. Usually we buy the same quantity plus 2. Usually they sell 6 pieces for 100 shillings, but I can see that when I went to the market today, the rates were a bit higher, but it is still cheaper compared to my local market, which retails, I would have gone home with 4 pieces, which could even be smaller. Look at the size. These are reasonably sized. We also got ginger. A kg was, I think, 100 bob. So I got this for 120 or 100 bob. So I got this for 60 or 50 because this is half a kg. You can see they're quite a number. Yeah, this is 60 shillings. Yes. We also got carrots. This bucket is 100 shillings. So the whole of this carrot is 100 shillings. Sorry, I did not mention the market. This shopping was at Marikiti Market. Very soon I'll give a review of my local market, which is which gives a very big difference as to the quantity of the stuff I bought or the stuff I would get if I bought from my local market. Either this video or the one for the local market will go up, whichever goes up first, but for sure there will be one for the local market and one for the main market, which is in this video we are reviewing Marikiti Market. That is the end of today's review. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep it here for weekly videos. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on our next one.